back to another video of Kawaii Kitty. Today I have my little brother here because he's not taking a nap, but that's okay. He does scream loud though, so be warned. There's a warning there for you. I like little warnings. Okay, so which one should we open first? Okay, I'm gonna switch it around a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna open the Party Popteenie first. Let me just move this stuff out of the way. Put it over here. Put this stuff over here so he doesn't get it. And I'm going to, and then I'm just gonna open it. I already opened it a little bit in the car because I didn't know better. And what you mean by car? You either think that it was, you either think that I went to the store to buy these, or it was a birthday party. You probably think the store, but it was actually a birthday party. It was my birthday. Look, the scissors appeared out of nowhere again. The scissors appeared out of nowhere. Let me just, get some of this stuff. Wait. Okay, maybe I should. Okay, I'm back, and I'm supposing I just ripped this stuff off. Get my hair out of the way. Now this is going to have a confetti explosion, so you guys will have to watch out for that. I might be scared because, you know, I don't know better. I'm scared sometimes. Okay, so I opened this. Here is the collection guide. We will use that later. And I think, if I remember back from last Christmas, I think you're supposed to open this. You'll open this, and that'll be one of each. Okay, so I got it. It's a cute little sundae. It's a cute little sundae with a transparent blue glass. And here's a little accessory for the girl. It's a little headband with a snowflake. Okay, we'll get back to the collection guide, and now. Oh, okay. Wow. Pretty sure this is a girl I already have. But it's still cool So you guys definitely should buy these. These are really cool. And now we're going to twist her out, pull this, and yeah. So okay. So it came with the little accessory, and she even has a little frozen treat. How cute. Okay, we're going to see if we can find her in the collection guide. It's probably going to be in the winter party. Let me see if I can find her. Oh, I found her. Her name is Bella. Her name is Bella. How cute. Say hello to Bella. Okay. Well, let's get this stuff out of the way. She is right here. Right there. And you can also see the rest. Okay, now we're going to open up this one. I really like this LOL. You see, it's an LOL, but it's a boy! Okay, so I really like LOLs, and I also really like the boy LOLs. I like regular LOLs perfectly fine, but LOL girls, but boys are special because they're very rare. So you'll probably hardly find them in stores. Oops, sorry about that. Sorry about my brother. He can be loud. Sometimes. But alright, I'm trying to do the zipper, but it's just coming off like this, so this is what we're gonna have to do. Okay, well, Any surprises? Boy plus dance plus a on and off switch. Dance off, I'm guessing. Yep, dance off. I can actually read the little thing down here. See, right there, it says dance off. But, like this, I already knew what it... Wait. Hey. Smash that like button if you guys have a summer birthday. Because I love summer birthdays. I love summer birthdays. They're just so cool, you know? Okay, just need to... Alright. Whoop. Alright. So, there we go. Okay, so they can either color change, spit, cry, pee, or cry, or spit it out of their ears. That's a new one. That's new, so, yeah, that's new. So, cool, but at the same time, that's weird. That's kind of weird, but at the same time, it's actually kind of cool. Okay, we're gonna just open this layer. Okay. And another, it was probably in the same layer as the shoes, but, okay. Now I'm going to open this as well. Oops. Oh, well, look at that. It's a little cow print bottle. That's so adorable. Okay, now I'm just gonna open this. I'm guessing this boy, this LOL, is probably gonna be from the Wild West. Okay, yep, I guessed it. Okay, so he has this little vest on with a red shirt and these little cow print shorts, and they have like little blue spots, and he even has a little belt. Now that is adorable. That's pretty cute. Okay. Now I'm gonna open the other bag. The other bag that I got. The other bag that was here. Wait, I need to make it larger. Okay. Okay. Whoa! It's like a white, red, and gold hat. It's the same print as Lux's hat. But it's just different colors. Okay, now for the big reveal. I'm ready. Is everybody ready? I'm ready. Okay, let's see. Whoa, cool. Okay, let's get him dressed. Okay. Okay, so I got him dressed, and this is what he looks like. Now, this is what he looks like. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Okay, now let's see who he is. Okay, so, okay, his name is Dosey Dude. Dosey Dude. Hello. Hello. Welcome back to Kawaii Kitty. Today we're going to do more unboxing. Today we're going to unbox these three if we have time. We might have to save this for another video or something, but yeah, because I'm doing this one last, but let's open, which one should I open? I'm going to choose this one. Okay, well, it looks like we're going to do this one first. Boop. Move that out of the way. Boop. Move that out of the way. Okay, where's this other? Ah, right here. Whoa! It's a magical unicorn from Schleich. It's a magical unicorn. It's a white unicorn with golden hooves and a rainbow mane and a golden horn as well. It's amazing. Oh, it also has this little rainbow. It has this little rainbow lucky horseshoe on it. It has this rainbow horseshoe as like a little cutie mark or something. Okay, I'm going to open this now. Just like a little milk carton. This is a nom-nom. This is a nom-nom. Don't mind him, he's crazy. He's crazy sometimes, but... Okay, let's look at the collection guide. The collection guide. The collection guide. But if I can get it open, okay, there. I got this, and this is the collection guide if we ever need it, when we're ready. And whoa, what's this? Cool. Whoa, and there's something under it. I don't know what it is. Whoa, it lights up. Okay, first of all, we need to see what this one is. Yep, it's Coco Ganache. It's special edition. Cool. Special edition in the macarons family. The macarons. Wow, that's so cool. This is like my first one of these, and I already got a special edition. Okay, now whoa, pretty cool. Okay, now for the last but not least, Kawaii Squeezies! I saved this for last because, you know, it has Kawaii in the name. Do you know what our channel is called? It's called Kawaii Kitty. Of course I had to save this for last. But thank you guys for waiting until I open this. Thank you guys for getting this far into the video without clicking off. Look at that little face. There, this should be the perfect angle. This should be the perfect angle to see it at. There. Okay, well, that's it for the video, and I will see you guys in a different video. Good.